I'm Wongster 1970, and today I'm going to be replacing this power cable on this Dolphin Premier. So let's get started. I'm going to take these two screws out here. These two on here. This one, and I'm going to be removing this one over here. And I think this should lift off. Take that off. Slide this out of here. It seems to be turning okay. Let's see what my other end looks like. It looks different. I'm going to take these two screws out of here. It's tight. X004K65GFT. So this is for the Dolphin pool cleaners. Okay, I'm using this pair of pliers. Turn this out. Let's see if this pulls out. Yep, that looks like the end. But okay, it is on there. Oh, it's missing that end. Look at this one. It's the same end. I am going to see if I can get some dielectric grease and put on that. Put that back down in there. I'm going to be feeding this back through here. I got the wrong end. That's the open. This is the new cable. I'm going to be putting this back through the case. I'm going to load this up with some dielectric grease. This is part number 81150 Permatex. I think I got this from Advanced Auto. I'm going to put some on here. I'm going to put some around here. That should be pretty good. And it looks like it can only win one way. Push that down in there. Looks like there's probably a special tool to use for this, like a spanner wrench. But I don't think I have one. No. So this is going to have to work. too tight. Put this back over here. The one was clamped about there, I think. This ain't gonna fit on there, is it? It's gonna have to go there. I'll just check it to make sure. Make sure that's on there good. It's not too tight. It should be good. I'm going to slide the cover back over. Pull the spring up through. Try to get that back in place. Put the two in this side. Put our filter back in the bottom. That in place, and then we'll turn her on and see what happens. Plug her in first. Okay, power on. Should be it. That'll do it for installing the replacement cable on this Dolphin Premier. That seemed to have corrected the problem. I'll put it in pull and see how it works. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.